Good morning, everybody. It's America's 250th birthday coming up. So today we're going to do a fun patriotic woodworking project that could pay for your July 4th barbecue, beer and all. And all I'm going to use is this scrap stair tread I have on hand. First up, we're going to cut these into 1-inch pieces. A real quicksand. Okay, got a couple of coats of paint on the stripes. It's looking good. I'm gonna glue and clamp it together, and then after that's all secure, we're gonna do the union. Hey, my analytics say that the overwhelming majority were not subscribed. So if you're enjoying this video or getting any value out of it, please hit that subscribe button and maybe that notification button so you know when new videos come out. And just to help spread this video, the like button. I really appreciate you. Let's get back to it. All right, glue up went great. Looks like I got a smudge from the clamp right there. Maybe I'll deal with that later. But you can get these great little stencils off of Amazon. So of course, 250th, right? We're gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this large square I got just to make sure I put the tape across straight. Then I got craft paper on hand that I use for my shipping. So I'm just gonna use a piece of this, use newspaper, whatever you want, just to keep any overspray off the rest of the flag. Time for the stencil. All right, let's get this reveal. Oh, all right. Looks like the paint didn't dry enough. Dang. So it has been absolutely silly humid up here in the Florida Panhandle, and I probably should have given that paint a lot more time to dry. And you saw what happened. I tried to do a cover up. You're still gonna be able to tell. But it's done, it is what it is. I would probably have to repaint that whole thing to make it look good and then put the stencil back on. But I got it sitting by the front door, so we're gonna go take a look at it real quick and see how it is. Despite the mistake, I absolutely love it. Go out, make your own. Maybe put a little cash in your pocket so you can buy the best meat you can for the 4th of July barbecue. I'll leave a link for these stencils down. They come as a pack. They have the 1776. They got the distressed flag. They got just the regular Union. They've got the We the People, all that good stuff. And that's it, guys. Go out and make some patriotic woodworking for our big 250th. I appreciate you watching. We will see you on the next video.